So let's talk about money. Why do young people tend to waste money?
I think it is mostly because of experience. Uh, because the young people are very green and they don't understand the value of money. So this is why they are more towards to expend a lot of money in unnecessary things. But when they get more experience in their life, they become appreciate money, especially when they start earning themselves. They become more and more appreciative of money. I think that might be one of the reasons.
Next question. What kinds of things do people like to buy in your country?
In my country, there is a mix of people. Like we have a well balanced senior and young people. So the range of buying things differ from their perspective. Generally, middle age to older people, they like to buy books to read, and in their leisure time, or maybe newspaper. Those are the regular things that they would buy out of except their daily things. And for the younger generation, I think more tech related things, they do enjoy buying tech related things. It can be iPad, or maybe a Kindle book. So those are type of changes, I think, in our shopping habit.
Okay, very good. How do people become rich?
I think it's a very suitable. It would be a suitable question for a rich person. But I think, from my knowledge, I think if you work out with diligence and be honest at your work, I think you can be rich. However, working hard won't make you rich. But again, if you work according to your strong hand and work smartly, inshallah you'll be rich.
Thank you, Raf. Good afternoon and nice to talk to you.
Thank you, ma'am.